Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use System.io for affiliate marketing. This is really useful if you want to promote other people's product or you own products through affiliates and track performance efficiently. So once you've logged into your System.io account, what you will have to do is navigate to affiliate program or affiliate dashboard. So anyway, once you're here, what you will have to do is you will enable the affiliate program. So it should be somewhere right here if you do have that option or feature. So you do have to make sure that you actually have the full version or the full or the paid plan, or you've upgraded your your plan so that you would be able to actually see this. So anyway, what you will have to do if you cannot see it on the other one, what you will do is you will go to my affiliate program, and basically you should see the enable affiliate program option somewhere right here. So anyway, once you see that, you will just have to click enable, and then you will set commission percentage for your products. And then of course you will add your products for affiliates by selecting the products that you want affiliates to promote, and then you will configure the tracking links, and then of course you do have to share affiliate links and provide affiliates with unique links, and they can promote through emails, blogs, or social media. And then of course, you do have to track the performance once that's all done by looking for affiliate statistics. So it should be somewhere right here if you've already created your affiliate or if you do have the full version. So yeah, anyway, once you see that, you will just have to monitor your clicks, your sales, and commissions, and then you could also adjust strategy as needed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.